Here we have a 2017 Ford Edge Titanium, one owner, clean Carfax, 20,000 miles in Onyx Black, or Tuxedo Black, excuse me. Good looking unit here. Titanium is the premium trim offered for Ford on the Edge model. As you can see, as we can start the tour here on the front, you do have high intensity headlamps there. Got the LED surrounds on your lower bumper fascia there. You got a nice chrome crosshair grille there. We got the little bit of brushed aluminum on the lower valiants. And again, over here, you got your HD headlamps. We got a split spoke alloy wheel here, as you can see. Our tires are Hancooks. Probably about got 3/4 tread, maybe about 7, 8, 30 seconds here, in good shape. And then we got a nice shiny resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed out by the tech that performed it in the glove box of all of our vehicles. So I open up the door, you can see a nice chrome illuminated door entry sill guard there that's illuminating the Edge name. You can see a full power, including lumbar here on your passenger seat. We got leather appointments. We got a full console that runs in between. Dark charcoal leather, charcoal carpeting. You can see nice little brushed aluminum that comes through the door in the dash there. Really gives it a nice premium SUV look. Now this would be in the mid-size SUV segment, so it's a 5-passenger seating capacity. As we open up the back here, you can see very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room for your rear occupants. Actually, my personal vehicle my wife drives is a Ford Edge. We really like it. Gives us enough space for our cargo and our family, and it's still efficient. Gives us our all-wheel drive capabilities. So really a nice product the Ford offers. We'll show you here on the back. Again, Hancooks matching, probably about, like I say, 7, 8, 30 seconds there. No scuffs or scrapes on the split spoke wheel, and again, another resurfaced, nice maintained rear rotor there. Now, as we continue around to the back, you can see it is a Ford, it is an Edge, it does have the EcoBoost, it is an all-wheel drive. Also, as you can see, it has a backup camera there. Let's go ahead and pop the rear hatch. You can see power rear hatch, which is really a nice feature. My wife and I have that. We use it a lot. Nice when your hands are full. You got a 40/60 on your fold down there if you need a little more cargo area. But as you can see, the cargo area is quite generous in this vehicle. Also, these seats will fold down power. So if I hit the left or the right, both of those seats will automatically pop down to give you more cargo. So it's really nice to have that power option. Also, you have a rear 12-volt power supply doing any tailgating or need to charge a phone for your rear passengers. You got a little outlet back here to do that with. Now, if we're going to shut this, we can hit this button right here to shut the power lift gate. Also, it's accessible via the key fob. Now we'll show you here coming around the driver's side, excuse me, matching Hankook tires, about the same 7, 8, 30 seconds as the rest. Scuff-free alloy wheel again. And then we'll just give you a shot of the interior here on the rear. Very well maintained, no rips, tears, stains, or rotors in this vehicle. Of course, Ford obviously gives you the combo entry and exit right up here. And leave the vehicle running, keep it tempered while you're running quick errands in and out. And then you see a full power driver's seat as well as the passenger side. And those nice entry guards there also. Now I'm going to give you a quick tour, kind of give you an idea of the options and the amenities. This car's quite loaded. We'll start here on the side where your power locks and your memory seating for 3 programmable drivers is all located right there. We also have your power windows and your power mirrors above that. Also, they are power folding, and you can see they are heated. So that's a nice feature as well. Now, let's go ahead and jump in here, start this car up, continue the tour. I said at the intro of the video, 20,000 miles. There you see it, 20,769 miles. We've got your dimmer or cluster dimmer switches over here, down and up. We've got your automatic headlamps and fog light, or automatic headlamps, excuse me, right here. And another button for your power liftgate there. On your stem, we got your high beams and turn signals. Stem to the right here, intermittent wiper washers front and rear. Control pad here for your customizable display. There you can see as I'll kind of play around with some things here. There you can see on the left how I can show you and navigate different options for your in-vehicle display. This right control pad will actually change the right side, which is right now on our audio section. So that's what the right control pad is for, is the right window to the right of this speedometer there. Cruise control down below that. Audio controls on your steering wheel, as well as your Bluetooth or sync buttons located in the lower right. Now this is the big touch screen, so let's go ahead and go to our audio section. There you can see AM, FM, and satellite radio. Also, we got your climate control, dual sliders, automatic temperature settings. Got your ability to pair phones, of course. Got your ability to connect different devices, downloadable apps, mobile hotspot. And then, of course, we got some other settings that you can change there on your settings menu. We got your audio and your climate controls down here as well as your heated seats. See your heated seat buttons right there for your driver and your passenger. I'll light that up, nice touch also. And then I'll go ahead and open this up. You can see you have your connectivity there, USB, audio pre-outs, things of that nature, 12-volt power supply all located in there. Electronic parking brake, automatic transmission control with the sport shift, where you can use these paddle shifters to either upshift or downshift to the left and the right of the steering wheel to pick your gear manually. Also 2 large cup holders, and then yet another 12-volt power supply in this large console. No roof on this model, but we do have the universal home link. We do have LED map lights. Now let me go ahead and pop the hood, give you a little look underneath the hood here. Believe this is a 2.0 liter, 4-cylinder, turbocharged engine. EcoBoost badging on the back. Let me know that that's the engine that this vehicle has in. You know, this engine is really quite remarkable. They're actually putting this 4-cylinder turbo engine into their Explorer models. So as you know, don't let the 4-cylinder worry you. It is packed with power. These days, the ability to turbo these 4-cylinder engines, variable valve timing, multiple valves per cylinder, they really can tweak an awful lot of performance out of a smaller block. And then you get the best of both worlds, because not only do you have the performance, you also have the fuel economy. You can see it's very quiet, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, there's no corrosion on the electrical terminals. Everything looks like a new vehicle underneath. Also, you have nice struts here to hold your hood up. You don't even have to worry about a prop rod. So that's always a nice feature as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and shut this engine off, and we'll get into the next portion of the video. And the next part of this video I really think is important. I think it differentiates us here at Thomas. Not only are we completely upfront in our pricing, we're also upfront in the condition of our vehicle, both mechanically and cosmetically. I already explained our used car mechanical check and our sheets and our process there on the mechanical side. So my job here now is to go over the cosmetic flaws that this vehicle may have. I got 2 stone chips right here on this fender. Things like that I'm going to point out to you guys. Dents, scratches, things, anything that would make it less than perfect. If I see it, I'm going to try to point it out to you guys. Try to be your eyes and ears here on this vehicle. Other than those couple stone chips, I haven't noticed any real dings or dents. It'd be a very, very small dent right in there, but it's hard to even pick up. Got a couple very minor scratches right there, as you can see. Now we got some scuffing and scraping a little bit here from loading and unloading the cargo into the rear hatch area. The front face of the liftgate looks really good. A little scrape right there on the corner of the fascia. Couple little stone chips back there on that quarter panel. Dent wise, it looks really, really nice. I haven't noticed the dent at all. Little scratch there on that front door. Couple little stone chips here that have been touched up on the hood. Bumper cover, just some random little chips, bug damage, things that's kind of hard to avoid on a vehicle. And then across this hood again, just a couple little stone chips. I'll try to mark out a few that I see that may be bigger than others. They've been touched up, most of them. Really an excellent new car alternative though, guys. Excellent shape, just a few little stone chips, a couple little scratches is all I could find. Now this does still have the remainder of Ford's factory comprehensive and powertrain warranty, so you can buy this car with confidence. If you're interested, look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. Appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.